To be very bad, I mean very, very bad, for you to be able to set up a YouTube channel monetization stage and then you have the money to withdraw the money down to your local bank account is now becoming a problem. In today's video, I will show you how you can monetize your YouTube channel from the AdSense end without getting an issue. So if you watch this video from beginning to the end, you will be able to understand every step, details, and procedures that you need to monetize your YouTube channel. A lot of people have monetized their YouTube channel, and after getting $300, $400, $500, coming to verify their channel and putting the money to their local bank account is now becoming a whole lot of problem. And if you delete the particular AdSense that you use in monetizing, it simply means that all the money you have there, if YouTube has not paid you because you have not verified, you are not going to have access to that money again. My friend also, it has happened to her. Currently, as I'm talking to you guys, we're trying to set up a new AdSense account, but all the money she has made from the past AdSense account, it has been wiped off. Like, she can no longer access it because she automatically deleted it without knowing some of these things. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are cute. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So there are a lot of things you need to do if you want to successfully monetize your YouTube channel or successfully verify your AdSense account so that you can make money. And one of those things is, let me first of all mention the 5 documents that you need that is very important. The first document is your TIN, which is your tax identification number. Okay, like I said, you can go to your joint tax board on any location that you are in the states, like in Nigeria, to get your joint tax board. You understand? The second identity you need is your NIN. You get. The third one you need is your BVN. The fourth one you need is either your driver's license or your voter's card or your international passport. And the fifth one you need is your name. Your name. The sixth one you need is your signature. Your signature. And when I'm talking about your signature is the same thing as your name, your full name. You understand? Now, if you now want to apply, make sure that all of these documents I mentioned, they have the same name. If it is Faith Emmanuel, let it be Faith Emmanuel on your TIN, Faith Emmanuel on your BVN, Faith Emmanuel on your NIN, Faith Emmanuel on your international or voter's card or driver's license, Faith Emmanuel on your signature. Don't come and interswitch the name and put it Emmanuel Faith later. You understand? It will make you not being able to verify your identity or not being able to monetize successfully. You understand? Remember that even if you're seeing money reading on your YouTube studio from YouTube and then your AdSense have issue, YouTube is going to be accumulating those money there on your AdSense. And if you cannot verify successfully on AdSense, to be able to put your local bank account, for them to be able to do a wire transfer to you, it is going to be a whole lot of issues. And a lot of persons have made this mistake, and that's why I'm doing this video, so that you that is watching me, you don't make the same mistake. And if you still want to monetize and then verify your AdSense, make sure that your bank details that you're using, go and create a dollar account. Go and create a dollar account. It is not difficult. See, even if it takes you to take the last money that you have to exchange it to dollar, so that you can create it, do it. During my time, it was a salary I received. I just have to go and change it to dollar. And I used it to open my dollar account. It was about $50 that I used in opening my dollar account, because then I was not earning in dollars. But I knew how important it was for me. I knew how important it is for me. And that is why I have to use it. Then for those ones that if you feel like, okay, you don't have that means yet to create a dollar account, right? Or you don't have the money yet to create a dollar account, do not worry yourself. Make sure the details, even in your local bank account, in your Naira account, is correct. You can put your Naira account. Then once you receive your payment, you can now switch it to dollar and then use it to create a dollar account. Because the disadvantage of using a Naira account is, once YouTube pay your money to your AdSense account and AdSense pays you, AdSense is going to be paying you with the dollar bank rate. So if the dollar bank rate outside the black market is 1,000 naira, for example, or 1,2, the bank will be giving you 800 naira or 700. I'm just using that one as an example, because right now we all know that dollar is beyond 1,000 naira, 1,2. You understand? But the bank is going to be giving you their own bank rate, and YouTube is going to be paying you with the bank rate. They are going to be paying you with the bank rate. They're not going to be paying you with the black market rate, and of which you'll be losing a lot. You will be losing a lot. Imagine if you have $100 and you're supposed to cash out 1,000. Maybe you have like $100. Just cash out 150,000 naira, or more than 150,000 naira. You'll be cashing out either 100 or even less, depending on what the bank rate is giving. Because at least the bank rate, at least they've tried to like step up their rates, but it is not still as good as the black market. So it is more advisable that you create a dollar account, so that the dollar accounts now, you will be doing what? You will be withdrawing your dollar directly from the bank. You will hold your dollar like this, and then you will go to the black market to go and change your money. You understand? So avoid this mistake. Even when you are going to apply for your tax identification number, it is just a number. It is just a number that you will be needing. But Joint Tax Board will be able to create it for you. Just tell them you want to use it for YouTube. They will create it for you. Make sure it is the same name. Now, when it comes to verifying, when it comes to uploading your document, because that is where a lot of people get it wrong. They will get all of these things wrong. And when it comes to verify the document, it becomes a whole lot. Now, this is what you are going to do for yourself. If you don't have a good phone, that you can put that scanner, there is a scanner now that you can use. You keep your document and scan it. It will bring out all the details of your documents. You understand? If you don't have a phone to do that, please take your document to the cafe. Take it to any computer center close to you. They should help you scan the documents, scan your international passport or your voter's card or your driver's license, and send it to your email account. Now, once they send it to your email account, now what do you need to do on your own end now? You are going to download it to your phone, and then when it's time for you to upload, to verify your AdSense, you will just upload it from there. Everything will be crystal clear. Your head should not be cut. This thing you're using, the identity you're using should not be blurry. Make sure your identity is fresh and intact, because some persons, I don't know how some persons do their thing, whereby documents that you know that is very important to you, they just keep it anyhow. On my own end, I have a particular bag. I do keep all my documents. So anytime I bring out my documents, they are clean and fresh. And I have all my documents scanned in my mail. You understand? So go and scan all your documents first. Put them in your mail in case of emergency. In case you even lost the ones that you have. So that whenever you want to verify, you just go there, download it. You don't need every time you'll be carrying paper running up and down. You understand? Now, if you want to do it with your own phone by yourself, get a scanner. There is a document scanner now. Just check document scanner online. You will see it. You scan it. Everything come out crystal clear. Make sure your head is not cut off. Make sure the face is not blurry. Make sure every part is cool. And then upload it. If you use this particular method I'm telling you, you will not, I repeat, you will not have issues with AdSense. Now, make sure that your signature, because there's a place that you will have your signature, even during the process of applying for your monetization, which is your AdSense. Make sure that the monetization end, you are going to, the signature end, you are going to be putting your full name. If it is Faith Elojo Onoja, your signature should be Faith Elojo Onoja. If it is Emmanuel Sonia, your signature should be Emmanuel Sonia. Don't go and add S. Don't go and add comma. Don't go and add anything you want to add. Don't come and start verifying AdSense with your husband's name. And then you are putting your document with your own name. If you're using your husband's name, because a lot of persons have personally called me to ask me, can I verify with my husband's name and later on I can change it? My sister, if you're using your husband's name, use your husband's name fully and everything relating to your husband's documents. If you're using another person's name, use the person's name fully. And now, if there is any need for you to change, because so that you don't think that you cannot change AdSense, you can change. Even today, if I want to change my AdSense, I can change my AdSense for YouTube to be able to pay me with another AdSense. Now, what do you do now? If there is any need for you to change, what you basically need to do is what? You have to hold on that month of the payment month, which is like in Nigeria now, YouTube pays 25th to 21 to 25th of every month, right? From the 21st to 25th of every month, that's when YouTube pays. Wait until your payment is being made. If you have not completed your money to your $100 threshold, wait until your payment is complete to your $100 threshold. Then now, once you see that your payment is complete and AdSense have finally paid you, if you have the complete documents now, you can now delete, you can now remove that AdSense that you have and now create another AdSense since you have the full documents. It is permitted. You understand? You can change. You can change. Don't think that you cannot change. But instead of messing up your YouTube and leaving your YouTube not getting monetized, if you have any document that you know that this particular document is complete, maybe your husband's document is complete, your sister's document is complete, your friend's document, no use friends, so people you trust, their document is complete and you want to use it, go ahead and use their document. When it is time for you and you have your own complete document, you can now go ahead and just change it. Change it. Is as simple as ABCD. You need to adhere to all of these rules that I've been able to say from the beginning to the end. You will not have issues with AdSense. You will not have people telling you that, oh, my AdSense do this or my AdSense do that. And another thing you need to know is, as someone that has applied for YouTube monetization money, YouTube revenue, right? And you've created your AdSense. AdSense give you 3 months for you to be able to verify. AdSense give you 3 months for you to be able to verify. And some persons will just sit down and not do anything within those period of 3 months. If you sit down without doing anything within those period of 3 months, at the end of the day, you are just going to be there. And after the 3 months, YouTube will demonetize you. YouTube will demonetize you. And imagine, say as in demonetize you, your watch hour can start to drop again. It is now going to be a whole lot. So YouTube and AdSense, they've given you like 3 months for you to be able to set up every single thing. Because if AdSense wait for you for 3 months, you did not verify, they are going to disqualify the AdSense, or they are going to, I've forgotten the English, that will deactivate the AdSense. And if they deactivate the AdSense, it will already start showing in your YouTube studio that you should fix in AdSense. That simply means you cannot earn money because there is no AdSense connect to it. And then during the process, before you now fix and do this and do that, at the end of the day, you will have issues doing a whole lot. And instead of achieving your aim, you will regret. If you don't want to regret, avoid all of this that I've been able to say, and trust me, you will not regret it. Follow the steps and procedures that I've been able to explain to you now like this. And your AdSense verification, your Google verification, your YouTube monetization will definitely be successful. Now, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you're still confused and you're looking for someone that can actually help you on your YouTube, you're looking for someone that can actually check your videos to see if you're doing well, if anything at all, this is where we should have coming to display for you with my one-on-one coaching, where I personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, you are going to achieve and attain success. And I believe that if you listen to all of this, my rules and regulations, there is no way. Now, with the flyer that is displaying and with the mail that is showing in the screen or in the description or in my bio, you're going to go ahead to send me a mail and tell me that, Vibe Sonia, I'm interested in your one-on-one coaching, and then we're going to pick it up from there to go into your channel to see what is happening, what you can minus, what you can add, so that we can all attain success. You understand? Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.